What's up, guys? My name is Maddie, and I serve here as a communications director at Restoration Marketing Experts. Today, we're going to be talking about how your restoration company can dominate local SEO search. The truth is, most restoration companies rely too heavily on paid leads. And while paid leads do bring in business, it's not necessarily sustainable long term. Local search will actually bring you better leads when it's done the right way. And today we're going to talk about how to do that. So first, let's talk about the difference between paid leads and organic SEO. So paid leads is anything that you're paying for. That would be your Google ads. And these things can be kind of volatile. The more money you put into it, obviously, the more leads you're going to get, but it doesn't necessarily filter through the quality of those leads. It might just be people clicking around online. With organic search, however, and local SEO, you're going to get people who are looking directly for your services, and you're going to get a higher search intent of people who actually want to call and actually want to make an appointment. With paid leads, the quality can be kind of inconsistent and you're competing on price. With local SEO, you're actually owning the asset and you don't have to pay for it. And over time, this is going to compound and build you a better ranking on Google. So let's talk about your Google My Business profile. Your Google My Business profile is the front door to your local SEO, and this is why it's so important. Often your Google My Business profile is the first thing that customers see when they search on Google. A lot of companies have the tendency of setting one up and actually forgetting about it and not coming back to tend to it. So what actually matters when you're building your Google My Business profile? Number one, clear and consistent posting. You want to make sure that Google is seeing you active online. They're seeing you with real pictures from job sites. You don't want to be uploading things that are AI generated. Google's pretty smart and they're going to catch on to that, and they're not necessarily going to give you authority. Number two, you want to make sure that you clearly list where your service areas are and you have all your contact information correct. You would be so shocked how many times I go to do research on a restoration business or roofing company, and I click on some of their links or their phone number and it doesn't work. And another thing you want to make sure is that you've set the correct categories on your Google My Business profile. There's actually an area where you can go in and set exactly what your services are. If your Google My Business profile is consistently active, Google's going to reward you and favor you and possibly push some of your web pages higher than they had been before because they know that you're a legitimate company and they know that people can trust you. So let's talk a little bit about your website, specifically city pages and service area pages. In order to rank locally, Google needs to know exactly where you are and exactly what you do. City pages help Google connect the search with the service and the intent. Now, there's a lot of ways that city pages can be set up, and very few are set up correctly. So it's important to not just go ham and start making city pages and filling them in with keywords, because this is actually how you can end up cannibalizing your website with too many keywords. But when these pages are done right, they actually drive map pack visibility and higher intent calls, which means people that are actually calling who are curious about your services, not just because they're calling to make a call, but because they're calling to make an appointment with you. And last, we talked about this a little bit, but your Google My Business profile, the reviews that are left on it are going to be very important to how Google sees you in local search and how it will rank your website pages. So if it sees reviews that are really vague or things like, hey, I loved working with Jerry, he's great, they're not necessarily going to give favor to that. But if they see reviews that are specific about the kind of specific services you offer, as well as real photos, like we talked about before, from the job site or your team, Google highly favors this. Remember that if Google can't trust you, your customers aren't going to trust you either. So if you're curious about where your SEO stands or you'd like to have a conversation about it, we'd love to have a 30-minute discovery call with you, and you can head to restorationmarketingexperts.com to schedule that call today. We're looking forward to talking to you and auditing your local SEO. Bye, guys.